Boom! So what's up guys? Welcome back to another video where today we'll be exploring a free indicator on TradingView which pretty much does the trading for you. I'll also show you guys how to set it up and give examples on how the indicator is actually used. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and let's get straight into it. So firstly, what you will want to do is download the TradingView app and you will come to a screen which looks like this. You then want to click indicators and type in trendline breakout with targets, select it, and here it is. So this indicator, as you can see, creates the trend lines for you, and once the candles break out, it actually sets up a target where you want to put your take profit with a target margin which is extremely simple to actually follow. Now, as for the settings, the default settings that come with it are good, and I recommend you use the indicator on the 5-minute time frame. I also recommend the strategy for any forex pair, but I would suggest backtesting the strategy before using it on the pair of your choice. Now, when should you actually hop in the trade? What I recommend is waiting for the first candle to close, which broke out of the actual trend line, because then the target zone will form permanently and you can hop in on the next candle. You then want to set up a take profit at the end of the target zone and set up a stop loss at a place which you think is optimal. I usually follow a 3-to-1 ratio on this strategy as I found it was the most successful when I backtested. Now here is a beautiful example where the indicator sets up the trade perfectly for you. You can hop in on the next candle after the breakout, set up a stop loss which suits you, and set your take profit on the target line, and boom, the trade is done for you. As you can see, it hit it beautifully and required absolutely no effort to hop in. So that is the strategy. It's really simple to follow, and I really recommend it to you guys to actually backtest it and implement it into your strategies like I have, especially since it's free. I do recommend using only TradingView for this as it is free, and so is the indicator, and I don't think you can find this indicator anywhere else on any other website. So that is the end of the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video in the Trading Secrets series and comment any ideas for my next series. Make sure to watch my previous video on essential tips for making profit, as that video is actually relevant for this strategy and may be the solution to your trading problems. Stay tuned for the next one and I'll see you there.